This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, August 23rd. Stock index futures under quite a bit of pressure yesterday as the feeling continues that Fed officials will remain very hawkish in their rhetoric. Of course, we do have the Jackson Hole Symposium at the end of the week. Fed Chair Powell is scheduled to speak Friday morning. Most likely, he will have very hawkish comments. At least that is the feeling among traders, and I would tend to concur. So with that in mind, stock index futures are likely to have a very difficult time advancing ahead of those anticipated hawkish comments from the Fed chairman. Also today, we did have 3 economic reports, all coming in weaker than expected. That putting a little pressure on futures. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index advancing to new highs for the move. In fact, even trading above the July highs, also somewhere around 20-year highs. So interest rate differential expectations remain very favorable to the dollar index. Although some profit taking coming in with those 3 weak reports, I think this is a buying opportunity for the dollar index. And I would not be surprised to see the highs made earlier today to be challenged later this week in advance of the Powell speech. And in the interest rate futures markets, seeing some support from those 3 weak reports. It appears that the interest rate futures markets will have a difficult time trading higher once again in advance of Powell's anticipated hawkish commentary. So I think the markets that should be focused on here, the long side of the dollar index, that's where the fundamentals are most bullish. And I would tend to avoid the stock index futures and the interest rate futures markets with some headwinds there. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.